Hey guys, welcome back. Mederos here with another tutorial. Today I've chosen one theme to do and it's the hearing. I want to draw an ear. If you guys don't know, I'm hard of hearing. I have a cochlear implant on my right side and a hearing aid on my left side. I lost my hearing like 10 years ago, and since then, well, I'm a cochlear implant user and recently became a hearing aid user as well. So there you have it. That's the inspiration for the day. And let's try to make an ear. So for the actual ear, I'm gonna start by shaping with this pencil that I have in hand. This is a General's pencil, number G314. As you can see, I'm shaping the ear. Here's the earlobe. Let's go with like I'm gonna try to replicate my ear because I have like chubby ears. I don't know, they're kind of cute, I guess. So let's see. Mine are like thick. And if you have seen my previous video where I show you how to hold the pencil while drawing two different ways with tripod grip and overhand grip, I'm gonna use those types of grips today on this video. So I'm gonna make large strokes to give a little bit of shading and shape to the ear. As you can see, and relax. I just have to. This is super cool for layering with pencil. So, there you go. Now I'm going with the inner conch of the ear. To have a little more depth here. This allows me to layer. So, okay. So after this, I'm gonna do the tripod grip, index, middle finger, and thumb to make more precise strokes. Mhm. Like this. Okay. So there you have it. The first layer of the ear using two types of grips. So, okay. overhand grip here. Just layer a little more. I have some freckles on my ears, so I'll make that in a sec. So going back to tripod grip to add more shadow. Like this. You see? It's not perfect, but it looks like an ear. I'm gonna make a little shade in here. To try to make it pop. And then this way. Freckle. Okay. Usually I grab a pencil brush, an old pencil brush to blend. So let's try that to soften the edges. Let me see if I have it here. Yes. Here I have it. You can use any brush you have. It doesn't have to be new. This is a very old one. Let's have some layers. Okay. And then I'll go back with this. This just make it easier. If you think you made a mistake, you can use this art erasers. Like this. You can soften the edges with this. Blend. You can also blend a little bit with this. Then I'll go back with my pencil brush. give more definition to my ear. I'm gonna tripod grip. The importance of drawing is to add layers. Okay, just and feel relaxed. Don't add tension to your wrist and shoulder. Just go with the flow. And if it's not perfect, it's fine because you know what? You're learning. And the important thing is that you grab the pencil, you watch my video, and decided to try to make an ear. Hmm, that's pretty cool. So give yourself a pat on the back. Okay. And then to clean the what's around the ear. And there you have it. A human ear using two types of grids. On to next video. Bye.